Epstein with your Morning Flash Update. This update is for the morning of Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, just after 8:20 a.m. Central Time. So as we look at the markets, you can see all the stocks are down. I think there was general disappointment, part of buy the rumor, sell the fact, on the Apple announcement yesterday in the stock market, the FDA approval by Eli Lilly. And it wasn't approval. The FDA passage by the committees that lead up to the state of where the FDA can announce now the approval of a, how do I put this? This is not a cure for Alzheimer's, but it is certainly, for the early stages, it retards the spread of it. How's that? And it's supposed to be more effective than the other drug that is out there. There is one other there. When we look at the dollar, up a little bit as these markets are down. But what's today about? Come on. Today is about the day before Wednesday, where we're going to get the CPI report in the morning and then the Fed announcement, which it's widely expected they're not going to do anything on interest rates. It's the dot plot. Do we get 1? Do we get 2 for the year for the consensus? 1.5? Maybe just 1 and done? Who knows? That's what traders are going to look for. In the grain market, it's more biding of time. We're getting ready for the USDA WASDE report, and we'll get an idea of acreage. And I think that's going to be the next important thing. We know that things went well with the planting. The crops are basically in. Cotton still has a little way to go. Sugar's getting a little bounce here. On the energy markets, you did get back up, and you got Brent back over $81 in the futures, over 80 in the cash market, and that is something of a good sign. You're getting a bounce here in the nat gas. I keep talking about that because the heat wave out of the west is now about to hit the middle of the country, and then it's going to move east. So New York, by the weekend, you'll be basting in 90-plus degrees. In the Midwest, we will be very hot, and they're setting records out west. So you are getting that part to it. When we look at the day, we get the National Federation of Business Index. We had it come out, and the reading came in at 90.5 versus April's 89.7, and this is the highest reading of this year. So that's a positive. On the retail sales, we're seeing a wobble at the 6% number. 2 weeks ago, both these numbers were over 6%. Now they're starting to retrace and slowly see a pullback in the sales. We get the FOMC day 1 meeting today, day 2 tomorrow, where we get the announcements, and API comes out this afternoon at 3:30 p.m. So you're going to want to keep up with all this. How do you do it? Well, some of the ways you can do it are right through our free offers on our website. If you go there and you sign up, you can get newsletters. We'll be keeping up with everything from the grains to the energy markets. And most certainly we'll be doing a lot of writing about what is going on in the CPI and the Fed. I will be doing some special reports right afterwards. I was going to do it ahead of time, but I saw no purpose. When you get to the bottom of that page, there's a sign-up, as you saw right down there. You just fill in your name and everything. If you have a message for us, write it there. We get back to you typically within 2 business days. That's when you'll get everything, sometimes the same day. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good day. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day in the market wrap-up. Have a great trade.